Hi, I'm Bill. Just sat through Ronnie's presentation on how to do the buyer's presentation. I kind of liked it because, we're given a set of slides, 54 slides. And I know the type of personality I am, I would want to go through each slide, make sure that the buyer got that. Well, that's not necessary. Ronnie showed us a way to do the presentation so that it doesn't sound like a presentation. With questioning strategies and techniques, we're able to put our clients at ease and help them make a decision that we know would be better for them. Selecting, of course, which is selecting us to represent them and with our benefits and how we can position our offer in a better position so that it gets accepted by the seller. I just like the way he did it. It made sense. It makes me want to come back for more. I'm enjoying Ronnie as a teacher. At the end, all of the students gathered together and we talked about that very same thing. We can show the slides, it just doesn't come out as clearly, but when we do it the way Ronnie does it, it just makes a lot of sense, and we as students want to be here.